Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys a lesson on the body parts in Igbo. I forgot my train of thought. So I'm bringing you a lesson on the body parts in Igbo language. So what I'll do, I'll say the English part and then I'll tell you the Igbo part, okay? What? Okay, so we have, I have a note, so if I'm looking down, just ignore me. I have to remember all the body parts that I've written down. So we start from the top. For your hair, we call hair ntutu, okay? Ntutu. Can you try? Ntutu. Lovely. So this is ntutu. Some people might say ntutu isi, okay? Ntutu isi or ishi. I say ishi. Some parts of Igbo land culture, some parts of Igbo land say isi. Now, ntutu, okay? Then, head is ishi or isi, okay? Ishi, the sh sound for shut up, sh, or isi for see, okay? Ishi or isi. So, ntutu ishi just means hair of the head, okay? Then, eyebrows are called nku anya, okay? Then, our eyelashes are called ntutu anya. So, anya and ntutu. So, hair of the eyes, basically, ntutu anya. Then, coming down, we have our eye, which is anya. Anya. Then your pupil is mkpụrụ anya. Okay? Mkpụrụ anya. Then we have our ear, nti. It's like a nasalized sound. Nti. Okay? When you say handkerchief, that N is nasalized, so it's nti. Then we have nose, imi, nose, imi. Our mouth, ono. Then your lips are called egbubere ono. It's a bit difficult, but just cut it into bits. Egbubere. I'll try to write it out for you. You can pause the video and try to repeat it, then continue. Then the teeth is eze, okay? It sounds different in sentence and on its own. Eze, okay? Eze, either way, okay? Eze. But be careful because EZE also means king, eze, in Igbo. So it's about the tone. Igbo is a tonal language. So eze, your teeth, not eze, okay? Tongue is ire, okay? Ire, your tongue. Then coming down to mustache for the male, we call this afono, okay? Afono, afo, ono. Some dialects will say ahono, but that's a bit different, okay? So ahono, if you prefer, or afono, we will understand what you're saying. Then the beard gang, beard is aji aba, okay? Aji aba for the beard, aji aba. Then the neck, okay, is olu for neck. Oh, by the way, your jaw is aba. That's why the beard is called aji aba. So hair of the jaw. Ajiaba, hair of the jaw. So this is your aba. So your chest, your chest is obi, okay? Obi. Your breast is ara. You see nasalized sounds, ara. Because if you don't nasalize it and you say ara, it means madness. So it has to be ng sound, ara, okay? Then shoulders, ubuaka, okay? Ubuaka. I've actually never really used this word before, But yeah, I'm surprised because there are many words we don't use in Igbo. We just use the English version of it and mixed our languages, code switching from English to Igbo, English to Igbo. Then coming down, we have your stomach, which is afo, afo. And the navel, which is the belly button, is otubo, otubo. Then we have hand, okay, which is aka, aka, aka. Then your arm, okay, arm is ogwaka, ogwaka. And your elbow is ikiaka, ikiaka. Now, when it comes to waist, generally, I think we classify waist and hip as uku, okay? Uku, uku. Then, this is a bit, I don't know if to put a disclaimer or not, but when it comes to the private part, I don't know if there's a child watching this, but parents, please help me here. When it comes to the penis for the man, we say amo, amo, amo. And then for the vagina, for the female, we say iu, iu, okay? Then the backside, which is the bum, we say ike, ike. Sometimes people interchange ike and iu because some people don't like saying this word. I'm not comfortable saying the word too, but I'm teaching, so I have to say it. But usually I use ike for both backside and the front for the female. Okay, the laps or your thigh is called apata, apata. Then your knee is ikbere, ikbere, the b sound, ikbere. Then the whole region of the leg, we call this okwo, okwo. Okay, you might think this sounds similar with uku, which is the waist, and that's true because it's the same letters, the exact same letters. The difference is between the u and the o, okay, just like we have the o and o. So uku, okay, is leg and uku is the hip or the waist. Okay, your ankle is nkwankwo. That's a mouthful. Nkwankwo uku. Okay, so it's the same thing. Nkwa, okay, 2 times. Nkwa, 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 ukwu, mkpịsị ụkwụ. Your toes, okay? Toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ. Oh, and the fingers, I forgot. Mkpịsị aka, okay? Same thing. Aka, hand. Mkpịsị, mkpịsị aka, mkpịsị ụkwụ. Your wrist is nkwoji aka, nkwoji aka. And knuckles, njikọ, mkpịsị aka, njikọ, mkpịsị aka. Njikọ is like something that holds something together, okay, like a joint. So njikọ, mkpịsị aka. So guys, that will be the end of this lesson. I really hope I wasn't too fast, and I hope that you are able to grab at least something, okay? So that's your vocabulary for the body parts, all of them. I think I tried to entail everything without hiding anything or keeping anything out. If you have more ideas or the way you pronounce it in your dialect, please put in the comments so that other people can see and learn. Also put which part of Igbo you are from so that it will help others too to understand where they come from and how they can say it in their own dialects. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you know anyone that needs this lesson, please share. Okay, it will help me as well, not just them, but it will help me to get more attraction to my channel and for people to know that I'm doing this kind of thing, because I will like it when more people know, because it means more money as well for me and I'll be happy. Okay guys, goodbye, take care. And if you have questions or any suggestions for my next video, for example, if you want me to expand on these body parts and tell you how they can be used or when, or collocations where they can be used with other words, please let me know so I can do this. Okay, bye.